YoLink Smart Water Leak Sensor. Peace of mind with app monitor and notifications. The risk of water damage in a home is high. In fact, it is one of the most common home insurance claims. Every year millions of homeowners suffer billions of dollars in losses. But these losses can be reduced or even avoided altogether with the new YoLink Water Leak Sensor. Link Smart Water Leak Sensor alerts you so you can stop the leak before damage to your home occurs. Water leak sensor is widely used in water leak detection. There will have an alert when any of the 3 sets of probes were under the water. Download YoLink app. Add water leak sensor to your smart home system, which will able to monitor your home security in real time. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. World's longest wireless range. Powered by LoRa technology, the long-range yet low-power system offers the industry's longest receiving range in the market, 1/4 mile. Our long-range coverage enables its use in areas challenging for most residential Wi-Fi systems, such as basements, outdoor porch, patio areas, sheds, freestanding garages, even remote outbuildings on your property. Number 2. Easy and effective property protection. The YoLink wireless water sensor could not be easier to install. Just place it near or under the equipment you wish to monitor. Suggested uses are near or under sump pumps, toilets, water heaters, laundry machines, dishwashers, sinks, fish tanks, and any other location subject to water leaks and flooding. Number 3. Early warning notifications. Receive real-time early warning notifications, in the form of smartphone banner alerts, limited SMS, text messages, and emails, and protect your home and property from water damage. Due to the watertight and submersible design of the original water leak sensor, an internal sounder, siren would not be heard outside of the watertight housing. For an audible alarm, consider our siren alarm or consider the water leak sensor 2, which has a built-in sounder. Number 4. Plug and play. Plug hub into an outlet, plug hub into your router, scan in new devices, and enjoy your new system in minutes. Your hub is the only device that connects to the internet, and a wired or Wi-Fi connection is required. Wired required for easy and fast plug and play, and most reliable and secure connection. Wi-Fi connection setup difficulty varies and requires changing settings to your network and or your phone changes to your network, passcodes, etc. require changes in the app. Number 5. From simple to super smart. After setting up your notification preferences, keep it simple and let the YoLink system do the rest and monitor your home and property for you. Or, utilize available advanced automation features, including third-party integration with Alexa and IFTTT, to interact with other Link and third-party smart devices. Limited only by your imagination. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. How to make with Alexa? Using a routine? Answer. Yes. Use a routine to enable the voice alert from Alexa for the YoLink leak sensor. Question number 2. Can one person with the same email address and phone number hold multiple accounts, i.e., a building manager for a condo? Answer. One email address can be associated with only one YoLink app account, and one phone number can also be associated with only one YoLink app account. Question number 3. Will this work with a 5G wireless network? Answer. The hub only works with a 2.4G Wi-Fi network, but it can be connected through the Ethernet cable to a wired network, make the YoLink system more reliable. All the leak sensors and other YoLink sensors use the LoRa wireless technologies to communicate to the hub. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.